invite Deepti to share her testimony. So ಅವರು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಶೇಕ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರು ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ನ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ and she wants to share it with everyone. So over to you, Deepti. I have unmuted you. You can just unmute yourself and speak.
Hi. Am I audible?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah. Hello everyone. I'm Deepti, a nutritionist, childbirth educator, and also yoga trainer. I'm one of the brand partners in Oriflame in Visionary Achievers team. I am very glad to be part of this team, where our mentor is very excellent in encouraging my team and me, where we are able to take part in all the webinars, and also she encouraged me to participate in webinars too. She is none other than Ms. Sapna. Because of her, this is my testimony which I'm going to give. It's because the help of her. I want to share my recent incident that happened to me last month and how I have overcome with it. Recently, I have been into COVID-19, and before I am infected with the virus, I already took the precautions like homeo pills, kashayam, hot water, and all. But nothing stopped me, getting infected with this virus. So with me and few of my cousins also got infected. They were having many issues after their quarantine period, and they were feeling so lethargic and they are not so active as well. And they are having so much of sleep disorders, they were not completely fine after this part. But according to me, I have a different experience because Sapna ma'am already suggested me to take a protein shake. When I started protein shake for myself, I have seen a lot of difference, that is before COVID and after COVID experiences. I am a very busy person from day morning to evening, so I would be so stressed with feeling I'll be so tired in the evening time after 5 to 6 later. So when I started taking this protein shake, I haven't feel any lethargic time, or I'm being day active whole day. And also I could see, especially in me, I could see my energy levels are not at all dropping down. So apart from this, as being a dietitian or also a yoga trainer, will this protein powder helps me? I just got a doubt before. But what I tell is, it really helps. It really helped me because of these protein powder. I just came out of it with the energy levels what I'm maintaining now, the immunity what I have. I'm not telling that without yoga nor without any diet this will help or not, because see, we have been into many ads, right? Recently in our COVID situations, we have been into many kinds of ads as well. Yeah, so what they were telling, you can do yoga, you can have immunity with increasing your protein intake of food and all. But do you think this really help us? Yes, this helps us, but in which stage it will help, I'll just give you a complete clarification. When you're doing yoga, you have to have a complete protein build-up body, which your body needs every day. Like when you have to take the whole food, right? So with the help of this yogi who maintains complete sattvic diet will be possible. But sitting at home having these unpleasant stressful environment pollution, we are unable to get the complete immunity what we wanted. But with the help of this protein powder and maintaining these yoga postures, mudras, balancing our diet, this will help us to maintain everyday protein intake. Like for example, if you're only concentrating on your diet, I guess it will be like 150 to 250 grams we need in a body. But this could not be only done with the food what we are eating. for example, if you go for a vegetarian thing, we could not consume more and more amount of dals, more and more amount of lentils, sprouts, and all. And and also the food what we take should be digested. So that is the main problem we are having in proteins. What we take, it may be veg or non-veg, but with the help of this protein powder, it is very easy to digest. And we have all the day active things which is present in the protein shake. So I have gained a lot of experience after started using this, and it helped me in my COVID situations a lot. So I recommend everyone to take it, try it, and not to miss it. Yes, ma'am.